The title of this story is Fraidy Cats. This was written by Stephen Krensky and illustrated by Betsy Lewin. One dark night, when the wind blew hard, the Fraidy Cats got ready for bed. Scamper checked in the closet. Nothing was there. Sorry checked under the bed. Nothing there either. They checked behind the curtains and the door. All was well. They crawled into their beds and fixed the covers. Good night, said Scamper. Pleasant dreams, said Sorry. Then they heard a noise. Tap, tap, tap. I hear a dog, said Sorry. A big, hairy dog. Is it friendly? Scamper asked. Oh dear, I think it was just this branch bumping up against the window. But let's see. No, said Sorry. It likes to chase cats. She jumped up and shut the door. Hiss! I hear a snake, said Scamper. It scared the dog away. Is it a cute little garden snake? Sorry asked. I think what they really heard was the sprinkler. No, said Scamper. It's a long, giant snake, and it hasn't eaten in a week. He got up and pushed a blanket in the crack under the door. Screech! I hear an eagle, said Sorry. It scared the snake away. Is it a gentle baby eagle? Asked Scamper. I think it was the gate. The wind blew the gate and made a screechy sound. Sorry shook her head. It's a fierce mountain eagle, swooping down from the clouds to carry something back to its rocky nest. She ran to the window and shut it. Woo! Woo! I hear a woof, said Scamper. It scared the eagle away. Is this a wolf that only likes to eat 3 little pigs? Asked Sorry. I think they just heard the wind blowing, don't you? Oh no, said Scamper. This is a wolf with many sharp teeth. It will eat almost anything it sees. He ran to the window and shut the curtains. I hear an elephant, said Sorry. It scared the wolf away. Is this a tame elephant that ran away from the circus? Scamper asked. I think it was, they just heard an airplane flying. No, said Sorry. This is a wild elephant with legs like tree trunks. It crushes things that get in its way. Scamper and Sorry looked at each other and dove under their bed. Boom, boom. I hear a dinosaur, said Scamper. It scared the elephant away. Is this a small dinosaur the size of a lizard? Sorry asked. Scamper bit his lip. It is as big as a house, he said, and there's nothing left to close or lock or hide under. We can't stop it. Sorry poked her head out. Wait a minute, she said. What kind of dinosaur is it? Scamper wasn't sure. Oh, I think they just heard a big cement truck and some construction going on. boom, boom. The room shook. The windows rattled. It must be an Ultrasaurus, said Sari. The biggest, heaviest dinosaur that ever lived. We are doomed. Scamper frowned. Wait a minute. I've read about Ultrasaurs. They only ate plants. Are you sure? Positive. No cats? Scamper shook his head. Sari smiled. Then the Ultrasaurus will stay in the garden. And it will scare away anything else that comes by, said Scamper. We're safe at last. The night was still dark. The wind still blew hard. The fraidy cats didn't care. They got back into bed and fixed the covers. Good night, they said together, and then fell fast asleep.